Chase Inc. Business Cash Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If your business spends on office supplies, internet, and utilities, you won't believe how much cash back you could earn with the Chase Inc. Business Cash Card. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the benefits, assuming it's just another business card with basic rewards. The surprising truth is that it offers high cashback rates, no annual fee, and flexible redemption options. You earn 5% cashback on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services each year. That alone can save businesses hundreds of dollars annually. All other purchases earn 1% cashback, making everyday spending rewarding. Another feature many overlook is employee cards with customizable spending limits. This helps track expenses and manage budgets efficiently without giving away full access to the primary account. The card also reports to business credit bureaus, which can help establish or grow your business credit profile. Redemption is simple. Cashback can be applied as a statement credit, deposited into a linked bank account, or used toward travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. That flexibility makes it practical for any type of business. The catch? If your business doesn't spend much on the bonus categories, the rewards might not justify adding a new card. Also, carrying balances can negate the benefit of cash back because of interest charges. Verdict: worth it for businesses with consistent spending in the right categories. Leave it if you rarely spend in office supply or utility categories.